हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ अदिति शर्मा एंड आई होप आप सब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे। अगर नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, ये दिन भी गुजर जाएगा। सो दिस वीडियो आइडिया वाज रिकमेंडेड बाय वन ऑफ माय सब्सक्राइबर who said to make a video for footwear essential that every girl must have, and to record a video in a horizontal way. It was suggested in a very detailed manner, so I thought it's a great idea to make a video on this. So here I am on your demand. Hope you guys like this video, and all the link of the footwear would be in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this video is going to cover all your footwear for office, for casual day, for party, and for everything in short. So it's going to be quite interesting, so make sure to watch this video till the end. First, let's talk about the heels, because of course we are girls and we love heels. Bahar mein jaye, comfortable, aesthetic come first. So for that we start with the heels, but I guarantee you whatever the heel I'm showing you right now is very much comfortable and you can carry all day. So thank me later, and link would be in the description box. So let's start with the first and my favorite is this transparent heel. So I have this transparent heel. आप इसको किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ पहन सकते हो अगर आपको मिनिमल एस्थेटिक लुक चाहिए. ऑल्सो इट गिव्स illusion of long legs and looks very clean and chic with any kind of outfit. So yeah, this is must have, I guess, and this heel which I have is very much comfortable, and I guess it's from Myntra, so I would put the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. So next again I have block heels, which is in very neutral shade. So if you are very much confused what to wear, just carry these heels, and block heels are very much comfortable for your office outfit as well, and it also looks very chic if you style it with any kind of outfit, whether it's office wear or casual day out. Plus it's block heels, so it is very much comfortable if you wear it. And so these heels can go very well with suit, dresses and trousers. And also if you are going to office and want to wear this, it's very much comfortable. It's block heels, so it's comfortable. Also it's provide you height, and it looks very chic and elegant and simple at the same time. So I really love the versatile plus comfort of these kind of heels. Next again I have very classic piece that every girl must have is this black color ka heel. You know that black can go with any kind of outfit. It can give you elegant look with the party wear as well as office wear attire. So it's must have for girls, like little black dress, and you know that black heels can go never wrong. I don't have to explain a lot about black heels because you know how much it is important and necessary and required for any girl's footwear wardrobe. Next again I have these white heels. I have to buy one because it gives very much fresh modern look in the summer days, and also settle out your outfit. Yeah, I really like how white goes well with this summer vibe, so definitely thinking to buy one, and it's must have for girls especially for summer, so make sure to check it out. Next again, to pop out your outfit or spice up your outfit, we have heels for cherry red color, and I think कोई सा भी ऐसा कलर जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हटके है नॉर्मल न्यूट्रल एंड बेस टोन से, अगर आप वो पहनते हो किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ तो वो आपके आउटफिट को एकदम हटके दिखाता है एंड पूरा ओवरऑल लुक चेंज हो जाता है. यू कैन हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ फील in different color, whatever you like. What are trendy right now? Cherry red color, green, pink, yellow are in trend right now. So if you need any pop out color heels, you can check it out this. And but I have this cherry red color का heel. I really like it. ये इतना simple सा सुंदर सा है, इतना elegant look देता है आपको किसी भी outfit को, इतना classy, and ये पूरा glossy finish है which make it even more better. Also इसका heel बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा है, तो also it elongates my height. I really love it. It's very much comfortable. If you need the link of this, I would put in the description, so make sure to check it out. But overall, if you talk about these kind of heels, I really like it. Also it's cover from the front, so it gives very much sophisticated look. I really like it. You can also have those which are not cover from the front but in the pop-up color. I would mention some link in the description, so make sure to check it out. So next again, every girl's favorite comfortable footwear to have is the shoes or sneakers. If you don't know what to wear, just go with the shoes or sneakers and you would love it and good to go for the day. So for the shoes and sneakers, I think the first color that every girl should have and very much comfortable shoes, like उसमें जितना भी पैसा खर्च हो, just do it, is should have is this black color का shoes. So I have this Nike का shoes which I wear almost every days for my office because it's very much comfortable and can be worn in any kind of outfit. So I really love this black shoes and it's of Nike and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है आपको. Next color which I think is this white color. Of course, black and whites are very basic and classic, and you should have this kind of shoes. So black shoes can be worn with this darker color outfit, and it can merge very well. And white color could be worn with the lighter color outfit and to merge it very well. And also it's summertime, so white can pop out your summer outfit as well. Again, it's shoes, so I think you should invest in good pair of shoes. So again, I have this red tape ka shoes. It's also very much comfortable. I would put link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Next, for your business meeting and for that sophisticated look for business is this black formal loafer. I really like it, the pair which I have. It's very much shiny and इसके पास and इसमें थोड़ा heel है, तो again it's provide you height, and from front it looks very much polished and can be worn in any kind of formal or business meeting, and it's give you very sophisticated and clean look. So yeah, I think you should, if you attend lots of formal and business meeting, you should have one pair of loafer as well. So heels and shoes खत्म हो गए. That means your comfort and aesthetic का essential खत्म हो गया. Now let's jump into the flats. Again, it's very much comfortable to have, but it do not provide you height. So yeah, let's first go with again very classic and basic color. You know what it is. It is again black color. So I have this black color का जूतीस. जिस दिन आपको बहुत काम झाम करने का मन नहीं हो, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल जाना हो और आप कुछ एथनिक पहने हो, then जूतीस are the best option to go with. It's very much effortless and comfortable at the same point of, and the pair which I have juti is very much comfortable, and also it have this strap, so it gives you support from the back. So yes, I really like this classic piece of black jutis, and I think every girl should have this one pair of jutis in her wardrobe. It goes very well with any kind of ethnic wear as well. Next, again, if we are talking about essential, of course nudes, black and white are must because it goes very well. So next, again, we have this brown color, earthy color tone flats. Again, it's no brainer, and this type of flat goes very well with kurti and jeans or any kind of Indian outfit. So I really like it. It's again very much comfortable. It's earthy tones, so it gives your outfit very subtle look. As you know that the black is very much bold and white is very much subtle, so to balance it out you can always opt for brown color. So you can go with any color of darker or lighter because it would balance out. So I really like this flat as well, and again it's very much comfortable. So next, again, if you like to go in beaches or you need some beaches kind of flats and comfortable flats, कहा था ना सब कुछ मैं cover करूंगी. So here comes the beach footwear. So you can opt for these kind of flats जिसमें आपको ऐसे काउरी शेल से डिजाइन बना हुआ है, जो कि और ज़्यादा बीच अप्रोप्रिएट लुक दे रहा है. प्लस इट्स फ्लैट, सो इट्स वेरी मच comfortable for your beach day also, and it gives aesthetic look at the same point. I really like this cowrie shell wala work plus this tassel work to pop out any kind of a beach outfit. So again, it's flats, it's comfortable and very much practical for your beach, also aesthetic. इसमें ऐसे comfortable सोल भी बना हुआ जो कि काफ़ी comfortable है बीच के लिए. So yes, if you need the link, it would be mentioned in the description. Next, again, for that Banjaran and Bohemian look, I have flats. Can you see? कितना प्रिटी है ये. सो इसमें पूरा ऑक्सीडाइज्ड वर्क है. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ऑक्सीडाइज लवर हो, दीज फ्लैट्स यू विल लव इट. ये बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही अलग से हट के लुक देता है अगर आप किसी बोहेमियन आउटफिट के साथ कैरी आउट करते हो. ऑल्सो इट्स कम्प्लीट योर बोहेमियन आउटफिट. आई रियली लाइक इट. इट्स वेरी मच कम्फर्टेबल, एंड यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे देखोगे तो सिल्वर ऑक्सीडाइज से डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है, एंड यहाँ पे से टो का बना हुआ है. सो इट्स कंफर्टेबल प्लस ट्रेंडी एंड ऑल्सो makes your outfit complete for bohemian. So make sure to check it out. Next, again, I have this embellished mozzies, golden and black color. So talking about the footwear for Indian aesthetic, golden and silvers are must have because it can blend very well with any kind of Indian outfit. So I have this black and golden color का मोजरीज. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा चप्पल जैसा वाइब चाहिए एंड कंफर्टेबल चाहिए, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ फुटवेयर दैट यू शुड गो. एंड ऑल्सो इसमें पूरे एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड वर्क है, तो आपके थोड़े से फुटवेयर तो आपके थोड़े चप्पल को और ज़्यादा अलग और यूनिक और सुंदर बनाता है. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर कंफर्टेबल ऑप्शन फॉर द इंडियन वेयर, यू कैन गो विद दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्लैट्स एंड इट वुड मेक योर लाइफ वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल. सो नेक्स्ट, अगेन वी हैव दिस बूट्स. ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट बना है कि बूट्स आर फॉर द विंटर्स. ऑफ कोर्स एट सम पॉइंट इट्स करेक्ट दैट boots look good in winters because it's keep you warm, but मार्केट में ऐसे भी बूट्स आते हैं जो कि वार्मर नहीं होते हैं, बट अगर आपको विंटर के लिए चाहिए बूट्स, it's like great option to go with. But I would suggest to go with the dark color of boots, whether it's black or brown, because lighter color I think बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है. So yes, if you want to invest on boots, you can go with this black and brown color का boots. I have this black color का boots and इसके में भी काफ़ी सारे sizes आते हैं. It's for the like knee level and ankle length. So if you first want to invest any kind of boot, I would suggest you to invest on that kind of boots according to your style. If you like to wear mini skirts or mini dresses, I think long boots with knee would be better option to go first. And if you want to, you can go with the shorter ankle length boot also. And again vice versa, so I also think for the boot you have to invest in good pair of boots, because it can be very much comfortable, but also it can be very much discomfort if you invest in very low quality of boots, because I have wore both. And yes, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it and found it useful. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and all the link would be in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much for watching.